In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable dark mode in TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up TikTok app. After that, tap right here to go to your TikTok profile. Then tap at these three lines here and select Settings and Privacy. Now guys, here we need to scroll down a bit and until at Content and Display section we'll find this display option. And that's where we can easily select appearance for our TikTok app. Currently it is set to light, however we can easily switch it to dark in that way. And also by turning on this option we can easily match appearance of our TikTok app to our device's display and brightness settings. Just like that. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.